In this series, we will learn everything about car seats and about child safety in the car. Axkid ONE is one of the safest car seats on the market. It is the only rear-facing car seat in the world with ISOFIX that is approved for children up to 125 cm and 23 kg, and that has also passed the Swedish Plus Test. The biggest worry for many when it comes to car seats is the risk of incorrect installation. These worries can be eliminated due to Axkid ONE's easy and secure installation that can be completed in less than 30 seconds. But best of all is how the car seat with its smart features adapts to your child and your space in the car. This means Axkid ONE offers the best leg space on the market, yet it can also be compact and take up very little space in the car. The car seat also has a stepless sleepwell system that adjusts the recline to give your child a comfortable position. These features in combination with the high safety makes it possible for your child to travel rear facing comfortable all the way up to 6-7 years old.